Today we will be doing some very simple nail art in my opinion, but I think anybody who is starting off is looking not just to learn how to do structure on nails, but also they really want to get into the fun part, the nail art, right? I personally consider myself a nail artist. I am technically not a nail technician because I am not licensed, but I have dabbled in my fair share of nail art. So I will claim to be a nail artist, okay? Anywho, so today we are going to be doing a set of Gel X nails. I surpassed that because I'm literally just focused on the nail art today, and I will be working on my sister's hands. Okay, just a little FYI before we get into the video. She was rushing me, story of our lives. I have a twin sister, and she was rushing me because she had to go to work. So I'm not too crazy about how the foundation of the nail came out. In terms of like how the Gel X application came out, mind you, her nails are still on. It's like 2.5 weeks later that I'm actually recording this video. Her nails are still on, so the retention is good, but I'm just not a fan of how the nails Gel X laid down. Anywho, there's some things that I would have done differently, and I probably will tell you during the video what they are. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, the structure of the nail is the Gel X. Bruh, I dropped my camera. The structure of the nail is Gel X, right? That's how I applied the tips on. But I'm going to be using Builder Gel in most of the nails, if not all of the nails, to give it more integrity, some more durability, for longer wear. That's just my opinion. The nail design, you can do this with blooming gel or even just top coat. So if you don't have builder gel, clear builder gel, you don't have to worry about that. You can do this exact design, which is a marble design. You don't really have to think about it. It's just swirling some colors around that you're using and just making it look, kind of marble-ish. I actually don't blend it too much because I'm actually going to do more nail art on top of this. So I really like builder gel because it's multifunctional. You can use it as a glue. You can use it as a way to build up the nail, and it also works as a blooming gel. So if you buy builder gel, it's to me it's like a no-brainer. You get a lot for your money. I'm just using the Beatles builder gel if you notice. So right now I'm just putting some little decorations on it. I'm using some foil, I'm using some iridescent stars, and I'm just placing it wherever I see needs a little coverage because we are doing clear nails for the most part. um this nail art is super easy, y'all. Like anybody can do this. Again, I'm just showing you the little iridescent stars that I'm using. I take a whole bunch and I just throw them right on my table because nobody has time to be picking those out one at a time. Again, I definitely didn't have time because my sister was rushing me regular. So right now I'm just taking these little gold circle rings that are used to like do like dangle jewelry on nails and or like piercings on nails. I've had these for so long and I barely ever get to use them. So I was like, this would be a fun way to use them that isn't like piercing the nail, right? So I'm just using also the builder gel as glue. Okay, so we're curing real fast onto the next nail. So with this nail, again, I'm starting with the Builder Gel Foundation to give it some structure, y'all. Mind you, this is already sped up, but I was going as fast as I possibly could. Because, y'all, my sister, bro, I've never done her nails in such like a chill setting. It's always like, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Anyways, so y'all, I prematurely took this out, but no problem. It's just a little rose that I created using the molds that I got from, it was like a gift from one of the like items that I bought, nail products that I bought. I think it was from Timu. I think it was from Timu. So y'all, I'm going in with one of my favorite colors. This is an emerald type green that I have from Beetles Gel Polish. If I can remember, or if I don't and you really want to know what color it is, just comment and I'll try and remember to post the link to the gel polish. Sorry, y'all. So yes, like I said, this is emerald color from Beetles gel polish. It's so pretty, y'all, and so versatile because it's almost like a jelly color. But if you build it up, you'll get a really, really nice coverage. I love. I've used this color for so many sets. This is one of my sister's like favorite color combos. She loves the like gold and emerald and white. I think I've made her like 2 or 3 sets with this color combo already, and it honestly it never gets tiring because it's so much to do with these colors. It's just so pretty. But with that being said, you can also do this exact nail art in different color variations. I think blues would be really, really cute with this, like a super summery color. I'm just cleaning up the nail right now with some alcohol. Yo, she was rushing me because I have tools for this. I don't know why what I was doing. She was rushing me, so it's hard to think when somebody's rushing you. Um, but yeah, I'm just cleaning up the nail and trying to get as close to the cuticle as possible with that polish. Going to cure it again. Yo, I need to stop y'all real quick. I need to stop the video real quick, y'all. So y'all, I wanted to show y'all something. Anyways, y'all, this is a clip of Candace Owen having a conversation with a man named Don Lemon, who identifies as a Christian and a gay man who is married. And they're having a conversation and it gets real spicy, y'all. Like, for some reason, he thought she was going to agree with him on some topics, and she very clearly states that she does not. And more than anything, he doesn't back up his claims with scripture. But I'm gonna let y'all watch this real quick with me.
So you think
It
I'm
is a sin.
sinful?
What's that?
You think I'm sinful because I'm married to a man?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes, you're sinning. You are in a sinful relationship. I actually don't believe marriage can be between two men. So I don't
But
believe
you
that you're in marriage.
understand, though, Candace, and maybe we're not going to agree on this now. I thought we would. Do you understand, though, that the same Bible verses and the same scriptures that are used to call same-sex marriage sinful are used to call interracial marriage sinful as well? And so,
Yeah, I've never heard anybody make a biblical argument against people being married that are black and white. So that's why I said, can you just tell me what verse that was? Sodomy is obviously a sin, but I've never heard a biblical argument. I'm
heterosexual
happy to
people
learn. I
is, you know
honestly,
what
I'm
the
happy to
meaning,
learn. I could
sodomy is
skip.
not just for sex, right? You know that, right? Sodomy
Yeah,
is.
it's a sin always, by the way.
Y'all, this interview was intense. Y'all, Candace do not be playing. First of all, he invited her. I'm assuming he invited her on the show because, you know, Candace has a big name. Anyways, y'all, but it was intense, y'all. Um, I think that it's a very important topic to uncover and speak about. For him to assume that she would affirm his lifestyle is pretty like cringe to me. And it's not because of his lifestyle, because we know that everybody has and struggles with their own sin. Um, but he never denies that he is in sin. He just tries to go back and forth with her and also tries to accuse her of being in a sinful relationship with her husband because he is white. Um, and never defends it with scripture. So I just want you to honestly go watch the interview, see what you think about it for yourself, and let's just get back to these nails. Because I'm just adjusting the flower right now. Yeah, next nail, y'all. So I got the prettiest mint green color. Got the prettiest mint green color using that emerald green color from previous, and like literally just a drop of the emerald color and some builder gel, some white builder gel, not just white builder gel though, it's milky white builder's gel, and going in with just a little dot, literally a dot of that emerald color, and I got this beautiful mint color, y'all. I'm like obsessed with this color. I would love to do like a set that the base color is this specific color. because we do have a lot of colors going on. Honestly, it's not that many, but it's the mint, the emerald, the gold, the white, and technically like the clear. So one thing about these nails that I definitely forgot, because again, she was rushing me, is the fact that I forgot to put a base coat on the nails. Y'all, I cannot stress this enough. You don't want to forget your base coat, because your polish could essentially like rip off, because there's no like there's nothing attaching it to the nail. So it's very important to not forget that. Bro, when I was watching this back, I was like highly upset at myself. Okay, y'all. I'm making right now the cutest little orb, y'all. I put a few more of those iridescent stars on there. It's so cute. I love that. And then I'm taking another one of those gold rings and filling it up with those iridescent stars. And then on top of that, I'm making like a little orb using the clear builder gel. Y'all, this came out so cute. I was struggling to put some more builder gel in there. It came out absolutely so cute. I love the way it looks in the light. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Y'all, she really didn't let me get enough videos, but I digress. Y'all, so I cured it and I took it back out and I gave it another extra bead just so it could have like that fullness and really look like a little orb. Like if you was looking into it, you would see those little iridescent stars. So cute, y'all. Oh, looks like I go back in with another one. So pretty. I love the way this nail came out, y'all. I really hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Okay, so we're on the second to last nail now. And again, I'm going in with that builder gel, clear builder gel, to give it some structure, to give it a little bit of integrity so we don't have no bending nails, y'all. I think it's very important. I don't think I ever want to do nails without using builder gel again, even if they're, like with the Gel X method. So again, I'm going in doing the marble design kind of just to bring everything together, make the look, more uniformed. I actually did on her other hand, because I already had did it at this point. I used I did a different design on one of the nails that I didn't do on this hand, and it was because honestly I just didn't care for it that much. um she thought it was cute, so as long as she likes it, it's her nails, y'all. You're gonna see it eventually when I show the end product of the nails. But really, honestly, this nail set was so simple and so beautiful. I think anybody could do it as long as you have the right materials. So like I said, you just need a few different colored gel polishes. I think this will work well with a lot of different colors. So even if you don't have these exact colors, you could use the foundation of the design. Got a few pearls, got a few little iridescent nail stickers. Not nail stickers, what do you call those? Glitters? Yeah, I think it's glitters. And then these little rings. I think you could even possibly substitute these rings for something else, maybe like gems or something like that. I think you could do a lot with this nail design and just, make it your own if you want. There's nothing wrong with that. Make it your own. Y'all, those little roses, the 3D molds, I really, really love them. Like I think I want to invest in more like different shapes and stuff like that. Yeah, and even if you don't have pearls, you could use different types of 3D gems that you might have, or I don't know, like maybe stickers. Maybe if you want to dabble in some nail art, I think nail art would look really cute on top of this. So with the thumb, I'm just going in with that milky white gel polish that I told you about before, prior, that I mixed with the dash of emerald to make that mint green. So I'm just using that as the base color for this nail. Right now, you can see I go back in with the brush, but it's just to wipe some of the builder gel off because I put too much on. I didn't want to get such a white look. I really wanted it to give that milky look. So I'm going back in with those iridescent stars because we obviously love them, right? Oh, last flower. There she goes, right there. So cute, y'all. Look how adorable. I wish my camera would focus. Also, we're going in With the best part, one of the best parts in my opinion, we're just top coating everything. My sister's very long fingers. Hopefully I tell her to move back soon. Um, yes, we're top coating. Regardless, y'all gonna see the end result soon. Um, she over here mad stressed out and stiff as a board, so I gotta hold her finger down. I love you. Yo, I think this set came out so cute. And it actually was really quick to do. I would just suggest if you're gonna do nail art like this on a client who's in a rush, mind you, she's not technically a client, she's just my sister who doesn't pay me for nails. Don't expect you to pay me. We know that. Okay. Uh, but if you are in a rush, a design like this is really, really fun and easy. But I would suggest like just getting it like the materials ready, like just being um, get the jump on everything, get everything out, be organized, and you could do this set literally probably in 30 minutes. Like maybe 40 if you're just starting out and like a little like all over the place. Again, I'm sorry, we're not in frame for some reason. Just top coating the roses. Sorry. Okay, right now I'm just going back in because we top coated. I like to go back in with the hand file and just make sure that nail is as crisp as possible. I also go in with a buffer underneath her nails. She works with a child. She's a nanny, certified nanny. So she always makes sure that I buff her nails because she doesn't want to scratch anybody by accident. Yeah, so we're just wiping all that dust off from underneath the nails because they are clear. Like she's looking at them. Like she don't want her business. She's happy. She's excited about them, wiggling her fingers. Okay, buffing, just like I told you all, buffing and buffing. So let me know what you think of this nail set. Did you enjoy it? Do you think you could do it? It's pretty simple, like I said. How do you feel about it? Would you even wear these? To be honest, I really do love the way this set came out, but I think I would have preferred them in an almond shape. What do you think? Would you wear these? I would. Needless to say, I would. Yeah. She was rushing me. I could barely get videos and pictures, y'all. I don't even think she got cuticle oil on right there. Oh, here we go. A little bit of cuticle oil. Still looking crazy. But y'all get it for the most part. So cute. I love it. If you guys made it to this part of the video, I really appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much for staying and watching to the end. You're a real one. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all. Thank you. God bless.